We have breaking economic data crossing the tape, and for that, let's get to Rick Santelli. Rick.
Thanks, Morgan. We are looking for March final read on University of Michigan sentiment. It is crossing the wires, and do remember, we have the mid-month read. They get tossed. So we now replace 83.0 on the headline number for our March final to 84.9. 84.9. That's really a much improved reading. As a matter of fact, it really is the best reading since COVID affected this number in March of 2020 when it was 89.1. In February of 2020, it was 101.0. So this really takes up some of the slack and puts us at a much better footing, especially considering the service sector is probably going to be opening up in a much more aggressive fashion as vaccines really get out into the public at large. Let's go through the internals. If you look at current conditions, it was 91.5 mid-month, zoom up to 93.0, 77.5 on expectations, also runs up to 79.7. On the inflation front, the 1 year remains the same at 3.1, but we did see some movement on the 5 to 10 year inflation outlook. It moved from 2.7 to 2.8. There's been plenty of 2.7s. Now that it's 2.8, well, we were 2.8 in July of 2015. To find a higher reading than 2.8, you have to go back all the way to August of 2014 for a 2.9.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.